Hi everyone, I'm here again from fashion and beauty blog The Lipstick Fever, and I've partnered up with All Things Hair to educate you guys on various hair topics. I'm going to share tips and tricks that I've learned from the All Things Hair beauty editors. So today's topic is best shampoo for bleached hair. So as you can probably tell, I highlight my hair, I bleach my hair. I started coloring my hair when I was 16 years old. My hair has been every different shade of blonde, I've been brunette, I've even been like an auburn red. So I can really empathize with those of you that do color treat your hair, because we do need to be a little bit more thoughtful about the products that we are using on our hair. Okay, so what happens to your hair when it's being bleached? So basically we're opening up that cuticle, which is the outer layer of our hair, and we're allowing those chemicals to come in and oxidize our natural pigments. So it leaves our hair dry, it leaves our hair vulnerable, and it leaves our hair very much prone to breakage. So a few quick tips that I've learned throughout the years of just coloring my hair and figuring out what my hair needs is, one, have the right shampoo and conditioner in place, so those that are specifically designed for color treated hair, and then two, I do hair masks all the time. So I'll do like a weekly hair mask on a Sunday, leave it in for 10 to 20 minutes, and then two, when I'm doing my regular shampoo and conditioner routine, I'll do like a mini mask. So I'll grab my conditioner and I'll leave it in my locks for like 5 to 10 minutes if I have the time, just to give my hair that extra bit of moisture that it needs on a weekly basis. Let's get into the product recommendations. These are all shampoo and conditioner systems that are specifically designed for color treated hair, and they are systems that strengthen, deep condition, and are color safe. Okay, first up is a system that strengthens, and that is Nexus Therapy Ultimate Moisture Shampoo and Nexus Humectress Ultimate Moisture Conditioner. So these are both infused with a caviar complex, and it replenishes the proteins in your hair to get you that like ultra moisturizing feeling. Two, they are salon quality shampoo and conditioner. They're silicone free. So silicone is a plastic ingredient, and it is really not necessary in our shampoos and conditioners, and it can really affect the color that's in our hair. Okay, secondly, we need a system that deep conditions our hair, because as we were saying before, when we do color treat our hair is more prone to breakage, so we really need to add that moisture back into our hair in whatever shampoo and conditioner that we're using. So a great one for this is Suave Professionals. We've got Moroccan Infusion Shine Shampoo, and then you can follow it up with Suave Professionals Coconut Oil Infusion. So both of these are infused with natural ingredients, coconut oil and Moroccan oil. Again, that's gonna lock in the moisture back into your hair. And then two, they're gonna help visibly repair the damage that's been done to your hair from color treating it. So it's gonna smooth it without weighing it down. So last but not least, we need a system that is safe on color treated hair. So we have found that in the formula of Tresemme Keratin Smooth Color Shampoo and Conditioner. It's formulated with Moroccan oil and keratin to get you that smoothing effect. It's gonna lock in moisture with both of those ingredients. And then also it's low in sulfate. So sulfate is a chemical in a lot of our beauty products that helps to get that lathering effect. It's also professional salon quality, so you can feel really confident about the kind of product that you're putting on your hair. This was the one for me. I've been using it over time, and it's really helped to keep my color like super vibrant and bright. This video has been sponsored by All Things Hair, powered by Unilever. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can subscribe to All Things Hair on YouTube, and you can check out the rest of the hair topics and hair videos at allthingshair.com. We'll see you guys next time.